Well, hi everybody, and welcome to 2022. Happy New Year to all the ones that I haven't said Happy New Year to. I know it's the middle of, and nearly the end of February. But yes, we're glad to be back, and this is our first video back this year. So I'll keep quiet and let you enjoy the video. And as we look out over Oyster Harbour, with Green Island just in the top centre feature, we'll swing around to look back towards town. Now, Albany is about 10 kilometres away, and just see in the hills there, and you can see there's a big catamaran in the harbour this time, and working marina buildings that you can see just off to the top right. Just over the trees you can see a little splash of water, which is King George Sound. On the last jetty that you can see to the left is a small collection of fishing vessels that are part of the local fishing fleet. Lots of fresh fish are caught here in Albany. Some is consumed here, but most I think will go to Perth. You can clearly see King George Sound now above the trees, and way off in the distance where the hills are is the entrance to Albany Harbour and Middleton Beach. Just at the end of the jetty that you can see on the right is Minibus. Jack's in the bus, waiting. And waiting for what, you may ask? He's waiting to head to the beach. I promised I'd take him to the beach this morning. And as we zoom in a little bit, the Squid Shack is the best place to go on a Friday for fish and chips. And don't mention anything to Jack, but that's the beach I take him to, and it's one of the beaches he loves the best. And it's usually on a Friday when we have fish and chips. Hi everybody, Jack and Steve here. Would just like to thank you all for watching, and just remember, please subscribe and you'll get messages when the next video's got. And I'm right. Yes.